Hi guys, recently while traveling abroad in my visits to cafes, I came across words like turmeric latte or as some people call it golden milk. I was amazed to learn how our simple haldi wala doodh has made its place as superfood world over, जो हमारी दादी और नानी के ज़माने से चलता आ रहा है. So here's a quick recipe of my way of how to make haldi wala doodh. Take a milk in a pot, add turmeric powder, ginger powder, cinnamon powder, salt and honey. Bring it to a boil and done. Our haldi wala doodh is ready. I'm sure you people can easily relate to this. If yes, please comment down below.